the grandmother's last coin. An elderly grandmother entered a small neighborhood shop. She picked a few items and opened her purse. Only one coin remained. The shopkeeper said kindly, "Grandmother, you can pay tomorrow." She smiled, placed the coin on the counter, and said, "Son, blessings stay in. What is fully paid? Even one honest coin is enough." The shopkeeper watched silently. Years later, the shopkeeper's daughter was dying in the hospital. Doctors said only one matching blood donor could save her. The door opened. It was the same grandmother. The shopkeeper whispered, "You gave one coin, and today you gave my child life." She smiled and replied, "Son, I'm only returning kindness." Moral: one good deed can return as a miracle. If this story touched your heart, like, share, and subscribe for more meaningful and motivational stories.